I'm now going to show you how to create some V-bit carving. As you can see, this is the previous Mexican motif that we used to create the bitmap to vector artwork. I'm just going to click on Toolpaths here, and you can see here we have create V-bit carving toolpath. I'll just select that. I'll just tab this over onto here. The vector association is currently selected vectors, so I'll press Ctrl A and just select all of the vectors. All that I need to do here is to just select a carving tool. So I'll come down here and I'm going to select a 32mm 120 degree V-bit and select that. Here it's worked out the maximum width and the maximum depth that we can actually cut. I could also use a roughing tool if I wished, if this was going to be quite a large piece, but this is not, so I'm not going to use a roughing tool for this. My material thickness is 10mm, and I'll select calculate now, and there it's calculated all of the toolpaths for the V-bit carving. So I'll just close this dialog box now, and I'm going to simulate the toolpaths. Just drag this round, and there you can see we have a V-bit carving of the Mexican motif.